In Indonesia, rubber is a major export product. 2.5 million people work in the sector. 85% of the production is for export, mainly to Europe, North America, and Asia. However, workers on rubber plantations are not benefiting from the economic opportunities that rubber production can bring. Many of them are living below the poverty line, struggling to meet basic needs due to low wages. Unsafe working conditions, long working hours, and limited freedom of association and collective bargaining are other major issues. What can we do about this? And how can we work together to improve labor conditions on rubber plantations? Since 2014, CNV International has been working together with local trade unions, private plantations, and the government in West Java and Banten provinces towards this goal. One of the main tools is social dialogue between unions and plantation management, reaching collective bargaining agreements, or CBAs, in which workers' rights and wages are cemented, then scaling up this process to new areas through multi-company collective bargaining agreements.
Jadi implementasi PKB multiperusahaan sektor perkebunan ini telah membantu kami untuk mengatasi isu-isu ketenagakerjaan. Dengan pendekatan yang lebih terstruktur, menyediakan kerangka kerja yang jelas untuk proses negosiasi yang dilakukan bersama-sama dengan banyak perusahaan dan unsur serikatnya. PKB multiperusahaan ini menjadikan proses perundingan jauh lebih efektif dibandingkan perundingan individual perusahaan.
MCCBAs in the plantation sector increase productivity, ensure workers' safety and rights, and uphold social benefits and wage agreements. Good for the workers, but also for the companies.
Dengan adanya PKB multiperusahaan, kami sebagai perwakilan serikat pekerja telah melihat peningkatan khususnya dalam hal komunikasi antara manajemen dan pekerja. Hal ini memungkinkan kami menyelesaikan masalah dengan lebih cepat dan efisien di tingkat perusahaan dan menghindari kasus dibawa ke ranah hukum.
So far in Indonesia, MCCBAs have been negotiated in collaboration with unions and plantation management, supported by the government. Now it is time for buyers to get involved.
The demands on companies to implement global labor standards are increasing. In fact, doing due diligence is no longer based on initiative or goodwill, but it has become an obligation in many cases. With all of the recent HRDD legislation coming up, supporting an MCCBA can be an incredibly impactful and effective way of doing due diligence for companies. It can help companies to reduce the human rights risks within their supply chains and to support their suppliers to improve the working conditions on the factory floor or on the plantations, all the while contributing to improving some of the most pressing issues within these supply chains.
Kami dengan hangat mengundang para pembeli untuk mendukung inisiatif PKB multiperusahaan ini. Komitmen Anda untuk membantu kami melanjutkan upaya untuk memperbaiki kondisi kerja dan menciptakan lingkungan kerja yang lebih adil dan produktif. Dengan mendukung inisiatif ini, Anda tidak hanya memberikan manfaat bagi pekerja, tapi juga berkontribusi pada rantai pasokan yang lebih berkelanjutan dan bertanggung jawab.
Together, we can expand on the successful work of the multi-company CBAs in Indonesia, enhance the position of workers in the rubber sector, and create a win-win situation for plantations, international companies, and workers. Let's get to work.